Hey guys, I'm Curtis. I'm the Operations Manager here at ES3 out in Porirua in the Wellington region. So here at ES3 we can take your design from a scribble on a piece of paper, turn it into a program, get it cut and get it out the door. We run 2 flatbed lasers, 2 tube lasers, as well as press brakes. So we have a 170 and a 24 press brake, so we can do all your folding needs. A small fabrication department. We can weld, countersink and drill your holes for you as well. So basically all your engineering needs is all under one roof. We organise the powder coating and galvanise if you need it as well. We provide a lot for the agriculture industry, but there is nothing that we're not limited into doing. We do everything from agriculture to structural, food grade, everything that you need. Apart from being very customer focused here at ES3, we like to have the shortest lead time. We like to get everything out the door on time and everything that you need. Before in the past, not having the consumables on site would mean trips to suppliers all the time. And the unfortunate thing is that you'd get back and everybody would say, oh, you need to get this as well. So you're doing more than one trip. So it's taking up my time, company time, and it's downtime. The unfortunate thing about being out in Porirua is that a lot of the suppliers are out in the hut. That, to me, is an hour trip to go out there and get stuff. Most suppliers will come to me, but the problem being is that there's always a downtime wait for that. It's always overnight. And I'm finding that a lot more in the region. People just aren't keeping stock these days. So to keep our own stock on site just helps me out. QuickStock was good because they keep everything up to date with a monthly trip. The cost is probably just as competitive as everybody else. They suit my needs as what I need. They will put in anything that I need or don't need, they'll take away. The reason to have the QuickStock there is to keep production flowing and running. It's just a quick walk to the cabinet, get everything we need and we're back up and running again. The replenisher brings us biscuits and that's half the reason I know he's actually been here. So to me it's fuss free. So sometimes I see him, sometimes I don't, but I'll let you know he's been when I see the biscuits on my desk. Well, the good thing about QuickStock is I can keep the cabinets locked. So the guys on the floor when they need stuff, they come and see me. I've got the keys, we open the cabinet, we get out what they need, we lock the cabinet, out to the floor they go, and everyone's back in production again. The guys use the products until the end of life with them, and then they bring the products to me and that's where we replace them out. That way I can monitor that everything that we're using out of the cabinet is getting its full use. The products in the cabinet, they compare with anything else we've used before in the past, and they're value for money. We find we're getting a lot more life out of the grinding and the flapper discs in there, which to me is a win-win because all I'm doing is getting more life out of the product. And I'm finding that the guys are a lot happier having stuff there on time and using nice new equipment all the time. So we're having QuickStock on site. It gives me a lot more time to spend on the floor with the guys. I can get a lot more training done with the staff. I can actually get a lot more quality control done with the stuff that's going out the door. Pre-emptive maintenance is obviously something that I can get a lot more time and concentrate on. And having the one invoice at the end of the month just saves a lot of time for the lovely Anne upstairs to only pay one invoice. Never really used a system like this before, but to me, after using it, I would recommend it anywhere really, to be honest with you. It just works. The advice I'd give to other companies that want to get into QuickStock is to get the QuickStock to work for you. And the guys are really accommodating for what you actually need. Stock the stuff that you need and don't stock the stuff you don't need. Get what you need in the cabinets. It's a win-win for me. We do enjoy the biscuits.